say that one more time, I'll freeze.
Freeze? What? What did you say?
When you say that one more time, I'll freeze.
When we uninstall your Roblox, you'll freeze. So do you want me to remove your Roblox already? What are you playing in the Roblox?
Just peaceful games.
Peaceful games. Okay. So do not play with what do you call those games? Harmful? Are there some fights in Roblox?
Yeah, but my friend Copper just find the peacefulest game. That it looks like a garden. It's called Grow a Garden.
Okay.
And it's even peaceful there.
Okay, there are no fighting.
Yeah, and even they can steal, but in night only.
What do they steal?
Lamps.
Plants. Okay, but it's not good to steal plants. Okay.
Yeah.
So your game in Roblox is just like Grow a Garden only.
Yeah, but my friend Copper is playing Grow a Garden.
Okay.
And I didn't join them because
Yes.
that was a peacefulest
game.
Yeah.
So don't you like peacefulest game?
Yeah.
Those are peaceful games or how friendly games.
Friendly games like Steal a Brain Rot.
And there are brain rots. And how about your zoo game before?
Was peaceful also.
Okay, those are the ones you are going to play with Roblox, okay? Do not play something
dangerous?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you open another game, you ask me first, okay? If it's okay. Are there some choices?
I don't know what can I pick. Between Steal a Brain Rot or even the peacefulest game, Grow a Garden.
As long as once you can see that there are some fighting, like the murder like that, don't play with that, okay? Don't play murder games.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
When I see you playing with murder games, I will just uninstall your Roblox. Okay? So don't play with murder games. Do you agree? Is it a deal? No murder games. Okay? Yes or no?
Look at the bottom.
No murder games.
Look at the bottom.
Okay, so that's a thumbs up. And when I see you playing with murder games, I will just uninstall your Roblox, okay? Deal. So you just play with zoo or planting only?
Yeah.
Growing a garden.
Yeah.
And what else are friendly games there?
Some are peaceful, and some are dangerous.
Okay, so choose the peaceful ones. So whenever you open another game or somebody is talking to you, please tell me, okay? Okay?
Yeah, but I know that I found a Roblox video that you can spray paint.
Spray paint, okay.
In a video.
And what's the purpose of spraying the paint?
On everything, but not on your car or the tricycle. Yeah, that on the front or on the refrigerator.
As long as it's not a murder game.
Yeah, but look.
But I heard you before that there's a murderer and the villain and the what else?
Toy Story 5.
That's Toy Story. It's not in Roblox.
Yeah.
Oh, so don't open the Toy Story, okay?
Yeah. But I think Lily Pan only comes out at Toy. I think Lily Pad just shows up at Toy Story 5.
Toy Story. Is that a game again? Is that an app?
No,
Or what? Is that a movie? Or a video? Toy Story?
yeah, but I know that.
Ay, Toy Story 5, the one that you watch on TV? Is
No,
that it?
and I even have a Toy Story 5 blanket.
Yeah.
I mean towel.
Towel. Yeah, but I mean, the Toy Story that you are talking about is an app or the one that you watch on TV?
An app. I mean not.
It is a movie or a video only?
It's just a video about this guy, but that's making Toy Story 5 out of Lego, but it's not real.
Okay.
It's not a real one, but they have, but this guy have not Legos but real toys.
Mm. Okay. So as long as don't, so our agreement is do not open apps that are dangerous. Those that are showing killing and hurting others. Okay. Understood?
Okay, yeah.
Mm.
But even still a brain rot.
Even the brain rots, they are useless.
Yeah, they're just peaceful.
Oh, peaceful?
I don't
The
know.
brain rots are peaceful?
Yeah, they don't do anything, just walk.
Yeah, but the brain rots are just mixtures of different kinds of organisms, or they're mixtures of plants, animals, like that. But they're not true. Do you know that they're not true?
Huh?
They're just make believe.
Yeah, but I don't know this, but did you know there's an animal plus an animal?
No, those are just brain rots.
Yeah, but I saw it's still a brain rot.
Yeah, and those brain rots characters are
Not real.
not true, not real. Okay, don't believe in them. So what about if we just watch some videos that are real? Something like adventures or the planet,
The planet?
Animal Planet. How about that?
I like animals. Animals control me.
Yeah, yeah, you just watch Animal Planet. It's also in your phone.
I want Animal
And
Planet.
then they're even true, and you can learn many things about those animals.
I want Animal Planet.
Okay, so where's your phone? Let's see.
It's not bad.
Yeah. I thought you are charging it. Oh, sige. So when you watch, you type, can you type Animal Planet? Oh, you spell animal.
Animal Planet.
You spell animal. What? A.
Ah,
Next letter.
I don't know.
N. Ani.
Ani.
What's next? To N. What's
Ma.
next to N?
Animo.
Ni. E. E. And then M. Ma. Mal. What letters are those? M.
M.
A.
Ah.
U.
U.
Animal.
Animal Planet.
Okay, so you start with letter A. N. E. M. A. Oh.
E.
E. I.
Oh, it's I.
Yeah. Animal Planet. So what's the? How do you spell animal now? A.
A.
N.
And
N.
wait, don't spell it yet.
Okay, you do it.
A N I M.
Next. M.
M.
Mal. Al.
A.
Yeah. What is A? A.
A.
And the last letter will be?
U.
That's letter?
Animal.
That's letter?
L.
Okay, so final final spelling of animal. What's the spelling of animal? A.
Wait, don't spell it yet. Is ANIMAL.
Very good. Nag-dark pot ba ito yan?